In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to remove background in Photoshop. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Go to the right side toolbar, click on the search icon, and select Remove Background, or search for Remove Background under the Quick Actions panel. Photoshop will instantly cut out your subject using the latest AI model, and you'll find more AI tools here that can save you a lot of time. You can mask the layer from here or close this window. If the edges need cleaning, click Select and Mask, increase Smooth, add a little feather, and adjust Shift Edge until the cutout looks clean. Now you can change the background from here. Once you're happy with the cutout, set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Your background is now removed, clean, and ready to use in any project. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.